Hello dear friend, in today's DaVinci Resolve 20 tutorial, we will learn how we can add this round text. You see, I have added round text to my video here and several text, multi-text in DaVinci Resolve 20 dear friend. You see, I am showing you, see how it's rounding and you can customize it and you can use it for your professional works. This is the new features just added in DaVinci Resolve 20. Follow all the steps in this video dear friends. All steps are very important. Don't skip any part of the video. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC into DaVinci Resolve 20. Come here to our edit page here. When your DaVinci Resolve is not smooth, play of your timeline is very difficult. Come here to decrease the resolution here. You see here quarter. We add quarter now, and here you see render case. Always click smart, then performance of DaVinci Resolve will be smoother here. Everything is okay now. There is a major free update is for text effect. If you come to titles here, text, you see here multi-text, and you can add multi-text into your video. Just here you see several text. For example, here I write free tutorial, and we can change the color here. You see from here we can change the color. Something we take red here. Okay, and semi bold, we take this to extra bold. Now we can add more text. You see add text here. So add text, we have second text. We write here DaVinci update, and we can change the color here. We take something like this color. Okay, and semi bold, large italic we can add. Semi, okay, this semi italic. So you see we are adding multiple text here. Hello dear friend, if this class is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Nowadays I'm working hard, but my channel is not growing due to the algorithm of YouTube dear friend. I am so much tired and demotivated dear friend. Motivate me, subscribe the channels. My channel is not growing dear friend. You can make it possible just by liking the channels, subscribing the channels, writing in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want, and even you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial may be useful to them. Please consider favor me dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our next step. Now we can add actually round text here. We have already detailed in our last class. You can learn. So in round text here, I type here DaVinci Resolve free tutorial for you. Free tutorial for you. You see we have added so beautifully round text here, and we want to change the color something. We take this color. Okay, now you can see so easily we have added color. So we take some, okay, yellow. We can take yellow color. We take this color. Okay, and now we want to change the font here. We just come here, we want to add bold italic. So you can see we have so beautifully changed the color. Here we have all type of settings. It's our default setting. If you know the text property from our last class, how to add, go to the our last class and tutorial in the playlist and see how we can customize in DaVinci Resolve titles etc. Make beautiful titles. Here you see direction. You can take horizontal. It's a horizontal, but reverse horizontal. You see it will be reverse. So we take this automatic line direction. You can add top to down, and we take this automatic, and here you see this force mono space. Like in this way you can make more like this. You see force mono spaced. Here you see here the work of force mono space is just you can extend like this. You see so beautifully extend. And now we can change the position from here. We can add keyframing etc. We just come here, and here you see like this we can add so beautifully. You can add keyframing etc. It's a totally free. Try this feature dear friend. Now we take some other new features which is totally free. We take a custom title. We can take basic. We take a text plus. Here you see text plus. We just drag here. So we come to Black Magic website here, and we want to copy this all. You see all sentences, and we want to use here inside our video. We come here to title. Here you see here title. We have here title, and just select all, control V. We have pasted. You see we have several sentences, but we want to customize here. We want to show all these sentences on our screen in proper way so that the viewers could read it. We come to layout. For this first we change the color. We take this color. Okay, now we come to layout. Here all settings are here. Text plus. We come to layout. In layout, we have new feature. This is the text box. You see here, text box. In text box, when you click here you see here, wrap to text box. Here you see here, wrap to text box. Now it has wrapped. Now we can customize actually. Now we can decrease the size so that people could read this. You see here, okay. And now we just drag here. You see X, Y, up, down. You see you can use this. Now we can drag this here to here. You see so beautifully, and we can anytime change the font. We come here to some bold font, some other fonts. You see this font, there are several fonts. We just put it to default, okay. And we can take this bold, okay. We can take light, regular, extra bold, semi bold, okay. So very easily you can use this now. My personal experience, dear friend, you see so beautifully. You can use after this totally free update. We meet in the next class with new tutorials. Take care, bye.